Day 12. Finding God in the quiet and solitude of nature. On day 12 of his journey, the traveler awoke to a serene stillness in the forest, with soft golden light filtering through the trees. Feeling called to seek God in the quiet of nature, he recalled Psalm 46:10, "Be still and know that I am God." This inspired him to pause and listen for God's voice amid life's distractions. He set off down a narrow path, marveling at the beauty around him, the rustling leaves, chirping birds, and the distant sound of a stream. Each sound encouraged him to slow down and appreciate the moment. Eventually, he discovered a tranquil lake, its surface like glass, perfectly reflecting the sky and trees. He sat on a large rock at the water's edge, letting the peace of his surroundings wash over him. Closing his eyes, he inhaled the fresh scent of pine and earth, experiencing a profound sense of calm. As he reflected on his journey, he realized he had often rushed through experiences, neglecting the importance of stillness and connection with God. In this quiet space, he felt God's presence vividly, as if the air itself was infused with divine love. Opening his eyes, he admired the dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves, feeling immense gratitude for creation and the reminder of God's constant presence, even in solitude. He offered a heartfelt prayer, asking for help and seeking God's presence throughout his journey. After this time of reflection, the traveler rose, feeling refreshed and invigorated. With each step forward, he embraced moments of stillness, eager to celebrate the presence of God in the remote corners of his adventure.